The Red Cafe. Let's see. Go to the corner and turn left.
Left.
Go to block and turn right.
Right.
Around the corner is train station.
Take the train.
Don't take the train. Go through the station, across the street to the bookstore. Next to the bookstore is a pharmacy. Next to the pharmacy is a Red Cafe.
Yes.
Got it. Let's do it again. Corner, left, two
Two
blocks,
blocks.
right, around the corner. Don't take the train. Through the station, cross the street, bookstore, pharmacy, Red Cafe.
Thank you very much.
You are very welcome. Thank you for watching.